Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change currency in IQ Option. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we start, there is something important that you need to know. So IQ Option does not allow you to change your account currency once it has been set. The only official way to change currency is to just simply create a new trading account under your existing profile. But if you haven't set a currency yet and you are ready to start making some trades on IQ Option, the best way to do this is to come over to iqoption.com/traderoom and sign into your account. Now from here, go ahead and click on the deposit button on the top right hand corner. And from here, go ahead and click on the green button that says top up your account. So once we're here, we're going to choose your payment method. You can use any one of these to top up. Now from here we can change our currency or choose our currency going forward. So you can use Euro, GBP or USD. So these are the three main currencies you can choose from. So if you want to deposit and set it to USD for going forward, go ahead and click on USD and then click next. Choose your amount, put in your card details, but also you will need to verify your account. So if you haven't done that, you need to quickly do that. Now once you've done that, you can go ahead and deposit say $50 USD, and then that's going to be that currency in the meantime. You're not going to be able to change it to GBP or Euro. The only way to do that is just to create a new trading account inside of IQ Option.